Hey, I'm Kieran.
And I'm Costa.
And we're the co-founders of GrowthStream.
GrowthStream is based in the heart of London, and we help companies increase sales without spending a penny on marketing.
Why did we create GrowthStream? Well, simply, we are fed up of the one-size-fits-all approach by the sales consultancy industry. So what we've done is we've created a tailored, proactive approach using the foundations of the 4-pillar process to provide all of our clients with a genuine ROI. I wanted to introduce you to one of our clients that worked with us in 2019 and the results that they experienced working with us here at GrowthStream.
Hi, my name's Harrison Horn. I'm the Head of Inside Sales here at ICO.
Hi, I'm Simon Daswell. I'm the UK Managing Director of ICO.
So the reason that we chose GrowthStream was because they provided a sales audit to highlight specific areas of growth that we really needed to target in 2019.
There was specific and quite detailed results that we were looking for. So in 2019, we wanted GrowthStream to secure several hundred clients fresh for ICO, and that's exactly what they achieved. In fact, they surpassed the figures that we were looking for. We also wanted to build a sales infrastructure that was sustainable. We were recruiting new sales staff, so what we needed was sales resources, sales materials, sales enablement, essentially the whole infrastructure set up at the same time delivering those sales results in an active and proactive way. GrowthStream absolutely delivered, and so much so that we signed a new contract for 2020.
GrowthStream are one of the only sales consultancies out there to deliver a truly proactive approach and actually get results. You'd be crazy not to want to use it.
I know you're looking to increase your sales in 2020, so let's get that ball rolling and get in contact with us today. How's best for them to get in contact, Costa?
You can get in contact with us by popping us an email or giving us a call on the number below.